What are you doing?
I'm thinking, Mom.
What are you thinking about?
I'm thinking about you.
About me? Why?
Because I want to live with you forever.
Oh, so sweet. Why do you want to live with me forever?
Because I need you.
Do you love me?
Yes.
Wow!
Okay. You see, I am indispensable to him. You know, indispensable means too important to be without. To English beginners, if you find it hard to pronounce or remember this word, you can use vital or essential instead. Again, the pronunciations are vital and essential. Is it easier for you? Back to what I want to share about the word indispensable. Its antonym, I mean the opposite word, is dispensable. In order to use the word indispensable correctly, I think that you should remember these following structures. Indispensable to somebody or something. Like in the example, she made herself indispensable to the department. Another structure that you should remember is indispensable for doing something. I have an example to help you easily understand. A good dictionary is indispensable for learning a foreign language. I hope you could find the information useful. You can like and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Shining with Listen, a shortcut to your English enhancement. And now, goodbye!